Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up YouTube TV on your Xbox in just 3 simple steps. I'm Roberto from Sleek Guides. Today, we are turning your console into the ultimate media hub with live TV and sports. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store. Head to your Xbox dashboard and select the store icon to get started. Once inside, use the search function and type in YouTube TV. It's a free download and usually the top result. Step 2. Select Get to begin the installation. The app is optimized for Xbox, so it downloads quickly. While it installs, ensure your internet connection is stable. This ensures a smooth streaming experience later. Step 3. Launch the app from your My Games and Apps section. It's time to link your account. On launch, you'll see an activation code. Keep this screen open. You'll need it for the next part. Now, grab your phone or laptop. Go to the URL shown on your Xbox and enter that 6-digit code. Once entered, your Xbox will refresh automatically. You now have full access to your DVR and live channels. The Xbox version supports 4K streaming and integrates perfectly with your console's controller for easy browsing. Plus, you can use the Xbox button to quickly jump between your games and your favorite shows. If you run into any issues, double check that your Xbox system software is up to date in the settings menu. Store, install, and activate. You're now ready to enjoy the best of live TV on your Xbox console. For more high-value tech tutorials like this, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto, and I'll see you in the next one.